Uma kuphela amandla usebenzisa inkani. So njengamanje kusebenza inkani, I'm trying to move from a traditional farming to hydroponic farming. Yes, I won't move all my operations. I will try to move from 10, 20, 30, 40, 50% up until I achieve 100% of it. In the next 4 years, I'll be experimenting hydroponics. So let me just share with you on how to build your own NFT system. You can use any type of hydroponic. I have chosen the NFT. This is the channel. You can use any type of PVC pipe. I'm using an electrical trunking, which is a 100 by 50 millimeter. It is 3 meter long, and then there are some tools that you need to have in order to construct. You can use any pipe, the round pipe, the flat pipe as I'm using it, or yeah, there's only two types. There's round, there's square. So I'm using the square one. This one is a 100 millimeter by 50 millimeter. So it is ideal for this, you know, because they are about 5 centimeters. Can you see? They fit perfectly on the channel. So I'm gonna use this one, and you have to know the size of this one with this one. So this one is 51 millimeter, which is ideal for this one. Can you see? And then we have this one, the end caps that will be put inside here to close, and we'll use silicone to tight close, no water leakages around. Even on the other side, this one will go inside here. So first of all, we need to mark where we have to make the holes. We need 15 holes in the pipe. So we are done with our markings. Every 20 centimeter we are making a hole. We cancel this one, we use this one because this one is the center of it. We have 15 holes in total. Then we have a small hole here for the small tube that will feed the nutrients to the system. In order for you to achieve this soft hole, run the drill bit in backwards. Run it backward so that you will achieve this soft hole. We are done with the holes. Make sure you start at 10, because if you start at 20 you will achieve 14 holes, whereas we need to maximize the space. So if you are doing 20 by 20 centimeter spacing, start at 10 centimeters so that you will have 15 holes in one channel. So make sure you use the right wall saw size, this one there, so that you will achieve this. This is the moment of truth. Let me just use both of my hands, excuse me. This is what I like if you are using the right size of the wall saw, because can you see, it fits perfectly in. It fits perfectly in, and it's not that easy to remove it, so it won't move up until you open the channel and then you access it under to push it out. So use the right size of making these holes. This is the reason why I like this one, because you can remove and actually clean here, clean inside if you want to, but for now I won't see any cleaning. I was just showing you. Someone who might plant herbs might go up to 10, 10, so it means he can achieve 30 holes in one pipe. Someone who might plant spring onion, same, you can do 10. Onions, you can do 10. So it depends what you are planting. For me, this one will be for lettuce, so I will do 20 by 20 spacing, and spinach also can take 20 by 20. So yeah, what's next? We will need to close here using the silicone. We have to close this part with silicone and making one hole to fit the outlet, the water outlet here. Then we will be done. Oh, one last thing before we are done, we will have to make one hole here for the inlet of a dripper that will feed the water here. So we have made the hole. We want to fit this one here. So we are done with the channel. This is where the water will be fed. From this side. This side will be connected to a main pipe which will feed the water here, and the water will go and come out from this side. When they come out, the water will go back to the water storage. So yeah, thank you for following the video. I will try to post more videos and updates on hydroponics. I will try to dedicate my YouTube channel to farming content, where I will share most of the stuff. So yeah, in less than a day, not day, few hours, we have made this channel, done with it. Somewhere next week we're gonna do the second channel, and then we will start from planting with 2 channels, and then we will grow from there.